Hey, this is Project Sploosh. I'm Luis, and this is the beginning of the Eras to come. One last bathroom trip. Oh my god. Class of 2019.
All jokes and laughs aside, this week we actually did something crazy.
Sono qui e non so neanche perché ho insistito venissi da te. Io l'ho fatto ma scusami, non ho voglia di stare con te. E lo so che per te conta poco, ma sai non è lo stesso per me. Sono stanco di stare al tuo gioco, lo sai bene che non fa per me. E non sono mai stato un amico, non far finta che ora sia così. Mentre prendi da bere dal frigo, io ti guardo seduto da qui. Non mi chiedere che c'è, non mi chiedere che c'è, non mi chiedere che c'è, non mi chiedere di stare ancora.
Time is crazy. If you don't put some grip on it, it's gonna slip right away. It feels like just yesterday, I was standing surrounded by all of my kindergarten friends. We were all about to graduate kindergarten. Stepping up after my name was called and grabbing my kindergarten diploma, I remember thinking to myself, wow, this is it. I'm a big kid now. 12 years later, here I am in the same situation, graduating high school.
Living life so fast, I can't even count the hours. I get a text from my dad, FaceTime your mom.
Look who decided to show up.
Yes, sir. What's up, guys?
What's up, boy?
We're back.
What's up, boy? What up? Vamos, Sergio.
It's that money bag.
What's up, boy?
What's up, man? What's cracking?
Johnny, Johnny, Johnny.
What's up, young blood?
I haven't seen you in forever, bro. Damn,
Yeah,
you look good.
Thank you, bro.
But he looks skinny as hell.
You already know we got that VIP treatment in the back of the Chevy Impala. About to go down County Road I. See how this goes.
Fire like kerosene. All this melancholy in my melodies, all because you called me and you said you don't care for me. Sweet thing, sweet like grenadine. You were on fire like kerosene. All this melancholy in my melodies, all because you called me and you said.
Little bros know. Summer starts now.
Tryna fuck, make her lock her knees. Can't hear you talk, I speak Japanese. Rapping no work, I'm a cop.